Our world is currently facing different issues and problems concerning our environment. According to some statistics, Asia is one of the lead producers of plastic here in the world. And talking about Asia, Philippines belong to the Asia, where Zambales belongs to the Philippines, and where Subic is located. Subic belongs to the first district of Zambales, where it is also considered as one of the most developed town. A town is considered developed if it is productive in different kinds of industries such as fish and food industry. Another criteria that says that a town is productive if it faces such problems like traffic, inflation, and environmental issues that Subic is also currently facing. Let's see if it is true that Subic really faces tons of plastic production here.
Sa tingin ko naman na solusyon naman sa mga basura plastic, dapat i-segregate. Tapos hanggat maaari, linisin yung mga kanal natin, linisin sa ating bakuran, sa ating pagmamalasakit natin sa ating kalikasan. Maiwasan natin yung karoon ng sakit na ubahan para wala na tayo.
So we are here now in the Subic market. Today is the Sunday or the main market day here in our town. So Subic market is the main supplier and main source of plastic products that is found here in our town. So let's see how people will react on our questions about plastic usage today. Let's go.
Sang-ayon po ba kayo sa pagbabawa ng plastic?
Meron, kailangan siyang i-regulate kasi hindi mo totally mababa ng plastic. Marami kasi mga products na yari sa plastic. So, pwede natin siyang i-regulate para hindi ganun karami yung basura. And at the same time, kailangan maipatupad yung waste segregation. Kasi importante na alam ng tao kung paano niya tatapon yung mga basura niya. Kasi ang plastic nire-recycle.
Plastics can be found everywhere here in our town. Even the waters of Subic are contaminated and polluted by plastic waste. Marine biodiversity is also affected by this.
As you see right now, they are packing up their products to sell and they are left many trashes and plastic waste here.
Now that we have proven that plastic pollution is disseminated here in our town, we should do our jobs as human beings. We can do several ways, even in simple ways to protect our mother nature. We also, as students, we can start different steps such as segregating our waste and picking up trashes and putting it in right trash bins. We should be aware on what is happening on our environment. Right now, we people should connect ourselves to the nature.